Are you looking for low maintenance living without sacrificing lifestyle? That is exactly what I have for you today. Whether you are a professional, a retiree, or maybe relocating with the military, this could be the perfect fit. So stick around to see exactly why. This stylish condo is located in one of Kanata's most peaceful pockets. It is the whole package. First off, it has a great open layout. 2, it's freshly painted and ready to move in. And 3, wait till you see the oversized terrace. Before we take you through the home, Kareem is going to show you a little bit about the neighborhood.
South March and Morgan's Grant are tucked away in Kanata's north, minutes away from the famous tech hub. This is perfect for professionals who work there, military members who work at Carling DHD, or even retirees looking for a quiet, serene space. Here you're surrounded by mature trees, walking trails, parks, and even a golf course. Yet you're still minutes away from highway access, OC transport routes, restaurants, and Kanata Central.
This 1-bedroom plus den has just under 730 square feet. Step inside and you'll see we've got 9-foot ceilings. We have tons of natural light and wide plank hardwood throughout most of the unit. The kitchen has modern flat panel cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and this oversized island. It's perfect for prepping meals or for casual dining. The upgraded bathroom boasts a walk-in glass shower with porcelain tile, and the primary bedroom has great closet space.
Outdoor space is where this condo really shines. You have your own oversized private terrace. If you're looking for a view, head to a rooftop patio to look at surrounding NCC land.
I love the peace and quiet of this ground floor unit. There's no stairs to get up or down, and you have this beautiful green view every day.
This one checks all the boxes for location, lifestyle, and value. Don't forget to check out more like floor plans, condo documents, and more at nickfonetis.ca.
Reach out to book your private tour of 280 Herzberg, Unit 104. We can't wait to show you around. Do you know someone who would love this property? Share this video with them and direct them to nickfonetis.ca to get connected with us and book their viewing today. I love the peace and quiet of this unit. With a ground floor,
head to the upstairs rooftop patio for minutes away from the famous tech hub. This is perfect. Was that good?